Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome to another episode of QVC Made Me Buy It. Yes, my current obsession or my lifelong obsession with QVC has continued, and since y'all liked the first one so much, I want to share with you my next huge haul. Alright, so if you want to know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. So if you have found yourself watching my QVC Made Me Buy It video, you will know that I have a obsession with QVC and HSN, more QVC than HSN to be honest with you, but I think it's just because that's like where I started. That's the only one I've ever really watched. But this time of year pulls you in between this thing called Christmas in July or Christmas in August. I don't know, like why? I don't even know, but it's amazing. Some of these things I bought recently, and one of the things I actually bought a little while ago, and I've been nervous to show you guys because I don't want everybody running out and getting it, even though it sounds enticing and it is really good, because it can be a little bit dangerous. So let's get to that. First of all, I want to share with you my large obsession with philosophy. Okay, you know, QVC for me is my happy place. It's where I go to check out and to not think about anything in my life, to be indulgent in these amazing personalities on TV and how much fun they assume like they sound like and look like they're having, selling all these products to me and having me spend all of my money for them. But I have recently, I mean, have you guys ever seen them do the philosophy stuff with the big bubble on the loofah, and they're just like going like this with the loofah, and it's just like suds galore, okay? And you just are feeling like, oh, I want that on my body, okay? So that's what I did. I got roped in, y'all. So I bought 2 of these. Well, that's what it comes with. It comes with 2 of these, okay? My favorite scent, though, by far from Philosophy is Fresh Cream. That is by far my favorite, okay? So I have one in my shower, and this is just a backup because I'm obsessive and I don't want to run out. Like, who would ever need this much, okay? So this is a huge size, and then I bought this. Okay, this is like the regular size, okay? They come with pumps, too, just FYI. They just feel very soft on the skin. They make you smell very gently like their scents after you wear them for hours and hours and hours after you wear them. Like I just showered with this morning and I still feel like I smell like vanilla, and I love it, and that makes me happy. Now, should I be using this much fragrance on my body? Probably not. It probably isn't good for me. It's just the thing I choose to do that makes me happy in the shower. Also my Briogeo conditioner, which is probably what everybody should be using. It's so good. It's like the green kale or spinach one. Whew, so good. Anyway, I digress. So then I thought, oh, I'm having my first Christmas in my new house, in my new state, and my family is coming for Christmas this year. So I must get them a Philosophy for their bathroom, because don't you love coming into like a bathroom, a guest bathroom, and they just have all the most yummy products and you're just so excited to have different products. So yeah, this is the one called Snow Angel, and it is more of a universal, oh, see, it's brand new. Oh, I don't know if I want to open it. Yeah, it comes with a pump, it's fine. It's a more of a universal scent. This one I actually got as a set of 2 as well. Okay, I can't open it. I just touched my nose. You guys, it's just one of those days. To me, it has a very like universal, it has a slight masculine scent to it. It is, I mean, they say things like snow angels sparkle, sweetly fallen snow from the night sky. I mean, I don't know about that. It honestly is just, it just has like a little bit of a kind of a masculine scent, almost like a cedar, but then it has a sweet twist to it. And I thought, oh my gosh, because they said on the show, like, this is what you get for the men in your life. And then I had my best friend stay over and I let them smell this and they were like, no, we're not using that. I was like, no, okay. But anyway, I thought it would be fun, and my mom's gonna love it. I know she is. My dad won't care because he doesn't get super involved in that type of stuff, but this smells really yummy. It's very much, it's less, but it doesn't leave as much scent on your body. And it's just a nice, refreshing, I think, very clean scent. And you can actually use this as shampoos, and I have done that in the past. I would not recommend it, but you definitely can use them as shampoo. Okay, So that is my overindulgence in the bath arena. Now, this is something though I seriously want to talk to you guys about, which is Josie Maran's set. And I don't know where my other thing is. Hold on. Okay, so I dropped this and forgot. So Josie Maran just launched a brand new product, and it came in a set that was a really good price. I'm gonna tell you in a second, but it is her new Argan Smooth Skin Resurfacing Serum. All right, and it's this, and I'll tell you about it in just one second, but it comes with that. It comes with, you know, one of my favorite products she makes is the milk. And then there's not one of my favorite products. I'm gonna give it to my mom. That's why I got it. I was like, oh, my mom really likes this. This is the Divine Drip Argan Oil and Honey Sleeping Mask. It balls up on me. I'm pretty sure it's because of the silicone in it. But then also her non-toxic mascara, which I tried once. I really can't use on the bottom because it does smear a little bit, but not too bad. But it is a really beautiful non-toxic mascara. But I'm pulling out my QVC app, if you can see, and I'm gonna share with you. Interesting. Oh, here it is. Okay. So this set was $69. So all of those pieces was $69. I thought that was actually a really good price because they said that this serum was some sort of like $56 alone, which I thought was like kind of expensive, to be honest with you. But the reason why I got this, is because I love the milk and I was running out. And I wanted another one, and this is super expensive too. It's like $60 or $70 or something, or maybe between $50 and $70 itself. It's very expensive, but I love it. It's very good. But I wanted to try this because of this. So this is actually only lactic acid in here. So what they say is, so it's a blend, but the active ingredient in here, the AHA, is lactic acid. Now, if you don't know, lactic acid is a very gentle resurfacer. So it is gonna help with cell turnover and exfoliation and all those things, but it's done very, very gently. Lactic acid comes from milk, and it's actually one of my favorite acids besides glycolic to use for my skin. You know, I pulled off recently on exfoliating, and I usually only really use the exuviance pads and maybe the Tatcha rice powders or something like that. But I wanted to just try it and see if I liked it because lactic acid is so, so gentle. Of course, we know that Josie Maran is cruelty-free, and I want to share with you what this is. So the ingredients in here actually look really, really good. There are not a lot of fillers in here, which is nice. And it really is just pure kind of lactic acid with a few other oils and stuff just to buffer it, just to make sure that that gentleness is as it's stated. And it basically, what you do is you put this on first, which is like hydrating. It also has an amazing technology, which they talked about, which I did not know. But they have an amazing technology, the delivery system of it, that they say actually delivers these benefits in this milk deeper into the skin. So that's exciting. So what they say is layer this on first, put this on after, and then you can either just put oil on or moisturizer or your sleeping pack, like whatever you want. And I actually have been using this once or twice a week, I would say. It is extremely gentle, especially when you do it this way. I have never used it on its own. I will give that disclaimer out. But it's lactic acid. It's not that aggressive. So this is something that's great for a beginner, somebody that's just kind of starting to get into acids. It's also somebody that's great for sensitive skin, or if you just don't want an aggressive exfoliation routine, if you just want it to be approached more holistically, this is great. So I've really been enjoying this, and I'm excited to use through this, and I'm really enjoying it. So I usually use my exuviance pads on Sunday, and then I'll use this, you know, once or twice a week during the week. But the results that I saw from the website, but from QVC are pretty impressive. The reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, overall texture, overall clarity, and the kind of overall skin perfection, I guess I should say. So I love that. I fully stand with that. I think you guys, if you guys are Josie Maran fans, I'm loving this. So I think it's quality. That to me is good. All right, now, and I have clothes too for you. You have to go up in my bedroom with me, okay? I'm gonna touch on this just a little because people have asked me. So here this is, and I will link everything in the description box, okay? But this is called, and I'm sure you've seen it, but hold on, don't go anywhere. This is called Trophy Skin. This is an at-home microdermabrasion machine. This happened to me when I was sitting there late at night, and I thought to myself, this looks amazing. Why don't I get it, okay? I'm telling you that I use this maybe once every 3 weeks, every 3 months, literally, okay? So this is not something that I recommend everybody getting because you can way overdo it. I mean, this is actually a pretty high quality machine. When I use it on the back of my arms, I got very similar results to when I used to get microdermabrasion in the spa for my KP, my keratosis pilaris, okay? So this is not something to be like kidded around with, all right? This is definitely something that is very effective. This is gonna be something for people that can't use an acid for various reasons. And it should only be used, I'd say, once every 6 weeks. If you have KP, you can use it once every like 2 or 3 weeks. It does have timed cycles. It does have very different amounts of times for, like, say, sensitive skin, acne prone, things like that. So I just wanted to show this to you because I do really enjoy it. However, this is not something that I would recommend you doing at home. If you're gonna get microdermabrasion, just go get it done at a spa because you don't need to do it very often. Also, microdermabrasion goes along the philosophy that it is causing inflammation in the skin. So, you know, I just caution everybody to be very cautious if you're looking into this. But if you do own it, or I have been looking into it, it is a very good machine, very quality machine, and does exactly what it says it does. It comes with, I think, a year's worth of these guys. For me, it would be many years because I don't use this very often. My husband really enjoys this, so I use it on him when I'm doing his facials at home, and he really enjoys that. Men can take a little bit of harsher exfoliation. I do want to share with you though, there's 2 things that I have ordered that I have not gotten. And it is, I'm literally, 3 things. See, you guys, 3 things I've ordered I have not gotten. And I'll post them below and I'll try to put a picture if I just talk about it. But, so Bethlehem Lights is the Christmas tree that I have. And they made these set of 4 indoor, outdoor, 10-foot twinkling lights. They look like fairy lights. And I got one set, which is 4 of them, for $29. And I will see if I can show this to you. And I think I'm going to use them for Christmas as well as for Halloween. I don't think I can show it to you, but maybe you can see. So they're these little twinkling lights. You see them? Oh my goodness. One Sunday I was just sitting down watching TV and I got sucked in. So I'm excited about that. And then I did get Santa's Best. It is the Starry Light 5-foot flocked tree. I have it. I got it. It's here. I spent an obnoxious amount on it. I don't even know why I did this. It was $196. But again, I'm getting sucked into this thing where I'm having people over for Christmas and I want my house to be this most magical fairy tale land where we all are living with Santa or something. I don't know. So, but this has amazing like LED light technology. You can do so many different colors. It's flocked. It's 5 feet. It's supposed to be very sturdy. Anyway, I thoroughly love this tree. I got it and opened it. It looks beautiful. I think there's over 1,000 lights on this. And then if I'm not boring you guys enough, I got this set of, how do you say this? Luminera set of 2 plug-in night lights, and they're gorgeous. I don't even know why I didn't get more, to be honest with you. Look at those. It's a night light, you guys. How beautiful is that going to be during Christmas time? And they're like, shh, on the walls. I mean, this is why I need to stop. This is why I need to stop. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you these pants, these jeans that I got, and I want to show you. So let's go to my room. Oh, I'm oily. I'm like shiny. Anyway, let's go. So here we are. So these are Bella. This is the pant that's called Bella. It's by Kim Grable, who I just love on QVC. But these pants, they were kind of expensive. They were like $50-something. You have to wear the right shirt. And I put this on so I could show you. So you see how it's like this shirt needs like I don't know. It needs like obviously more of a heel and I don't know. But I really loved the pants on all of the girls. And then I got them home and I just was like, meh. I had them in black as well. And I actually returned the black ones because I got them in an 8 and they were too big. So size down 1 size, by the way, if you're going to get this. Also, too, they have no like, you know what I mean? I don't know. It just is like unflattering right here. So I really wanted to love these. But I will say that I have worn this with a longer tank top that is a little bit more fitted. And then they look good because these pants are meant for girls with hips like me. They're meant for girls with a booty. And that's who they're made for. Okay. And they have these cute little sweet zippers that you can open or close. They definitely look better with wedges or something a little bit higher. So if you guys are planning on getting these, also too, they have a weird thing right here. I don't know. So I wear these when it's like more of a casual. So these are not like my dress jeans. I will wear these if I'm wearing like I said, platforms or heels or something like that. But if I have a tighter top on and then usually some sort of drapey like jacket thing, because I just don't know what it is about this. Maybe it's just my body type. But they're not super uber flattering the way I wanted them to be. And the way they actually are on Kim, they look so amazing on her. So, yeah. All right, we're on my bed. So don't you hate when you see things on other people that look so much better and then you get them and then they don't look very good on you? So yeah, that's what happened with this. I thought to myself, well, maybe you can just return them, but you know, I do need bum around jeans. I thought they were going to be my holy grail jeans. I also don't love how short they are. They hit like right above the ankle. So let me know if there's other pairs of jeans that she sells, just because I love her energy. She's so body positive. She just loves life and I want to support the woman. She seems very cool and I really enjoy watching her when she's on QVC. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I always have such a good time doing these for you. Comment below, let me know who your favorite host is, maybe some of the things that you love buying for the holiday season. I want to know jeans that fit people because I don't really love to spend $1 million on jeans, which I do all the time because I just can't find the right ones. But yeah, so let me know. All right, you guys, hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.